In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to track whales buying crypto. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the process of tracking whales buying crypto. I'm gonna give you a general overview of this as if this is something that you've never done before, but I'm not going to go into hyper detailed explanations. So, the best way to track whales buying crypto is by using tools like the one that I'm going to be showcasing in this video, Whale Alert. A lot of these tools exist, such as Whale Alert, Whale Map, DEX Check, Arbitrage Scanner, and so on. For this video, I chose this one because it is easy to access. You go into the website and immediately all of the info will be presented. But of course, you can use any of the other equivalent websites and apps as well. So, public blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum record every transaction, including the sender's address, receiver's address, amount, and timestamp. Because this data is publicly accessible, websites and tools like Whale Alert are developed to keep track of big transactions. So all that you have to do is access any of these dedicated platforms, and you will have a real-time view of the current transactions. Usually you can use these for free, but they might unlock premium features if you subscribe or create an account. So the latest Whale Alerts will appear over here at the left if you use Whale Alert. You can click on any of these to see more details about it, and you will see where the transfer took place. So for example, transferred from Coinbase institutional to unknown wallet. You will see the blockchain, timestamp, hash, and fee. The transfer will be presented here. The receiver will also appear. And if you go back to the home screen, you will have transactions volumes, average buy price, realized profit, and so on. You can set this graph to a specific amount of time, so you can filter it by the latest year, 3 months ago, 1 month ago, all time, and you can set up custom alerts at the top. So if you go to alerts and customize, you will be able to set up some filters here. You can even get push notifications when these happen. As I've said before, I'm not going to dive too deep into this, but clearly it is a very concise website to use, and you can customize what alerts you would like to receive. I hope I was able to help you in how to track whales buying crypto. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.